Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to Cash app. Alright, so let's begin. First open the Chime app on your device. Right now we're on the Chime home screen, and for this example there's a small balance available that we want to send over to Cash app. Just keep in mind this walkthrough is on an iOS device, so if you're on Android things may look slightly different. From the Chime homepage, the first thing you want to do is tap on the pay option. This feature lets you pay anyone, and that includes sending money to yourself. Once you're in the pay section, choose the amount you want to transfer. For example, you can enter $5 and then tap on pay to continue. After that, Chime will prompt you to search for a recipient using a phone number or an email address. What you can do here is simply enter your own email address. When you do this, Chime will send a payment link to that email. This link is what allows you to move the money from Chime over to Cash app. Once the email address is entered, you'll be asked what the payment is for. You can add an emoji, a short note, or anything you like. After that, tap continue, review the details on the confirmation screen, and then tap pay. Chime will send the payment link directly to the email address you entered. When you open that email, click on the link inside. From there, you'll be able to cash out the money using your Cash app debit card. As soon as you enter your Cash app debit card details, the money will transfer instantly to your Cash app balance, and it's completely fee-free. If you don't already have a Cash app debit card or need a replacement, you'll need to order one first before completing this process. Once you have the card though, this method is a simple and fast way to move money from Chime to Cash app without any extra charges. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Chime to Cash app. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.